Hello everyone, welcome to NIRS YouTube channel. This is the revision class session 2. So in the previous session already we have seen the meaning of the cell and its discovery and regarding the unicellular and multicellular organisms differences we have already discussed in the previous session. Now let's move towards another type of the organisms which are typically getting somewhat a difference in their structure. So before discussing the structure of plant cell and animal cell, we should know that the meaning of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So prokaryotes means the organisms have the primitive or the incomplete nucleus or the incomplete cells. So the prokaryotes have they have the incomplete cell, and they contain the prokaryotic cells in their body structure, and they have all the three basic structures of the typical cell, but lack of the nuclear membranes. So here the nuclear membrane is absent in the nucleus, and we can't see the perfect structures of the nucleus as well as the genetic substances, that is the DNA. So these are not the structures which are having the different types of organelles what we can see in the eukaryotic cells. We can't see these here. So the eukaryotes have the advanced and the complete structures, and they contain the membrane bounded organelles like the nuclei and the cellular organelles, and the cells of the eukaryotes are completely made with their proper membranes. And here in the unicellular as well as in the multicellular plants and animals, plasma membrane, nucleus, DNA and cytoplasm with the ribosomes and cellular organelles such as the mitochondria are all present. So when we are going to see, so you can see here the prokaryotic cell of bacteria and the eukaryotic or the photosynthetic prokaryotic cell, so that is which is going to perform the photosynthesis. So here the blue green algae you can take the example, or the cyanobacteria also the example. So here we can't see the proper kind of the membranes to any of the organelles present inside the cell. So here also we can see the liquid droplets as well as the DNA which is present here. They doesn't have any proper membranes here. So all the organelles which are present, including the nucleus, they don't have the proper membranes. So we can see all the membrane bounded structures in the eukaryotic cells. So here you can see the difference between the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotes are very small in size, that is 1 to 10 mm, and the size of eukaryotic cells is about the large, that is 5 to 100 mm. So the nucleus is absent, so the nucleus is present in the eukaryotes and absent in the prokaryotes. So here in the prokaryotes we can see only a single chromosome, but in the eukaryotes it contains more than one chromosome. So chromosomes are present in pairs in the eukaryotic cells. So the as usual, already we have seen the structure of the nucleus. It contains one more ball-like structure inside it, that is called the nucleolus. So that is absent in the eukaryotic cells, but nucleolus is present in the eukaryotic cells. So in the prokaryotic cells, we can't see the membrane bounded organelles such as the mitochondria, nucleus, and ribosomes. So all are the membraneless structures only we can see here. But the membrane bounded organelles such as mitochondria, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, so nucleus, lysosomes, all are present. So cell division takes place by the fission or budding in the prokaryotic cells, but cell division occurs by the mitotic or the meiotic cell division in the eukaryotes. So this is the a very important information regarding the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, which is going to give the exact idea or the difference between the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So try to read it and understand the concept, and read it well and prepare well for the midterm exams. Thank you and have a nice day.